Hello, hi, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I'm Puneet, your trainer for today. In today's session, we will talk more about assigning security in Jira Service Management. We will see quickly how we can assign security on the basis of different roles and even utilize groups in Jira to assign those security permissions. So I am in Jira Service Management. We have the project that we created. I will quickly go to project settings and go to people. So as of now, our registered ID has multiple roles. If we click on role, we can check that it is an administrator role and it has a service desk team role. So as of now, you're able to see three roles because these three roles are pre-fed into the system. If we want, we can also add more roles and provide security to those roles. If I want to give access to someone, I can invite that person. So I will quickly add my personal email ID and give service desk team access. So it says new people added. If we quickly refresh the page, I'm not able to see my ID, and that is the reason because we have not enabled user access to my local ID. So we will go to user management, check all of the users that are available. So you are able to see that it says I am an active, MYS is an active status, but my personal email ID is still invited. It says I am currently unavailable and I'm added as a user agent. So as soon as I log into Jira, it will come into active status and I will be able to see this project in Jira Service Management. Now the next thing that we are going to do is create groups so that we can assign security group wise and not one by one as a single person. So if we go to settings, we go quickly to user management, and on the left we click on groups. There are a lot of groups that Jira Service Management provides us as by default. So if you see Jira admin, Jira Service Management customer, this is another for user access. This is only for users. We can ignore the software ones because we have not created a project as of now. Now, if there is any user who wants access, so we can click on this role. So if you see, we just added one user. So Puneet's name is already there. If you want, you can add more users by adding their name. Okay. Now, the next thing is if we want to create, if there are lots of projects in our Jira Service Management and we want to bifurcate security on the basis of a project. So we can go to create group and we can create a group on the basis of project 1 admin. I can add myself there. The description can be something admin for project 1 create. If we click on create, this user gets added to this group. So if we go to groups, we shall be able to see project 1 admin. Similarly, we can have different groups for users. We can have different users, different groups for other roles. This was assigning more of the security permissions so that going forward, whatever thing we do in our project is accessible to other people. We will be talking more about security and that will be covered deeply into our Jira workshop that we are having. So if you want, you can register on the 1 day Jira workshop with me and my team, and we shall be able to do the dive. Until then, have a good day. See you. Bye bye.